Let's pack my barber case for today's Art of the Demo class at NABA. When I prepare for an event, I'm not just packing tools, I'm packing teaching moments. And every item in this case has a purpose, and I love that every tool has a place, especially for everything we're going to be packing for today's class. These tools I use to help students understand the fundamentals. And that starts with my shark fin shears. We've got the 6-inch and the 7-inch sets plus their texturizer. The different lengths allow me to demonstrate control, technique, and body positioning. And when students can see the difference in tool and technique combinations, they begin to understand why we choose what we choose. Up next, I have my favorite clips of all time, and those are the Pivot Point Black Pelican clips. I love the strong sectioning and control, and the tension helps create visual organization. And when sections are clean, learning becomes clearer. I've also got my bone comb set. Different comb densities help students understand tension, distribution, and control. And these small details are what build strong foundations. And I love that I can keep these right in the back of my aluminum barber case. Now, let's get into our clippers of choice for this event. And first up is the Andis Pivot Pro 2 combo. This is a strong foundation set because it's a solid all-around clipper. I like to show that achieving a good cut doesn't require overly complex options. The adjustable blades let students see guard transitions, and I love that they have a nice, clean space to keep them organized in the kit, along with a little clipper oil up in one of those top slots. Up next, we've got the Andis Cordless Pro Kit, which allows me to model movement. Students need to see body position and how I walk around the head, how I shift angles, and yet again, the adjustable blade is fantastic. The cordless flexibility removes distractions and keeps the focus on technique. Our third set is going to be the Andis Phenom combo, which helps demonstrate consistent power, especially on different hair types. This might be my new favorite everyday clipper and trimmer combo. I do love the kit they come packed in, so I like to leave these in their little nooks for extra protection. For me, when the tool performs consistently, we're not fighting the equipment, students can focus on blending and control. The last clipper set we have is the Andis Master Barber combo, and it's a classic for a reason. This is where we can teach blade adjustment, close cutting, and precision detailing. It's about understanding what the blade is doing, and even today, cordless isn't always the answer for precision results. Getting all of these packed in their right spot helps me stay organized. Organization protects your investment and models professionalism. One thing I always have with my clippers as well is a mini screwdriver set, because troubleshooting and tool repair in real time are part of mastery. Up next, I've got my Ergo Diamond head brush. This is perfect for sculpting short styles and refining shape. And finishing is where confidence is built. We also have our neck duster and our fade brush. Again, clean workspaces, equal clean presentations, and professional standards matter. Here comes our hair pick, our clipper combs, our wide tooth comb. Texture management is part of the lesson. Different tools for different hair types is a necessity, and they've all got a spot in my case. I also like to have a can of Andis Cool Care, and of course my water bottle. Maintenance and moisture are all part of the curriculum. And last but not least are my large Sharpies. I tuck these in the back because every presenter should be ready to write, diagram, and bring concepts to life visually when needed. And there you have it. We're prepared, organized, and intentional. Because when the tools are ready, the teaching can shine.